Forgiveness. Imagine carrying a backpack. Each lie, every selfish act, every angry word, every silent grudge. They're like stones dropped into that bag. At first, it doesn't seem so bad, but over time, it gets heavier, and the weight doesn't go away. It builds. Jesus once told a story. A servant owed his king an unimaginable debt, 10,000 bags of gold. That's not just a lot of money, it was more than he could ever earn in 10 lifetimes. And when the king came to settle accounts, the servant stood before him with nothing to offer. He begged, "Please, be patient with me. I'll pay it back." But deep down, both he and the king knew he couldn't. There was no hope of ever repaying that debt. But then, something unexpected happened. The king had compassion, and he did something the servant didn't even ask for. He canceled the debt. Completely forgiven. That's us in the story. The debt isn't gold, it's sin. Every time we fall short, we add to the weight. And the truth is, we can't pay it back. Not with good deeds, not with time, not with trying harder. Even if we had 1,000 lives, we just keep adding more to the pile. The longer we live, the worse it gets. So what do? Beg for more time? Try to fix it ourselves? No. There's only one thing we can do. Fall at the feet of the king and ask for mercy. And when we do, we find something we could never earn. Forgiveness. Not because we deserve it, but because the king, God himself, is full of compassion. You don't have to carry the weight anymore. You don't have to try to pay off a debt you can't afford. All you have to do is ask. And the king, who has every right to demand justice, will give you grace instead. That's forgiveness. That's the gospel. And it's not just good news, it's the only hope we have.